Hi viewers, this is Saurabh from Mac to iPhone. There are a lot of things that cause your Wi-Fi connection not working. In this video, we will see those possible way to fix Wi-Fi issues. Let's begin. First check the correct Wi-Fi is connected or not. If your Wi-Fi network is not showing, then click other networks, then join it from the list. If it is not showing, you can type manually and join Wi-Fi. Sometimes internet not working due to wrong service order. To fix it, open System Preferences, Network. Here you can see Wi-Fi and iPhone hotspot both are connected. iPhone is in first order, so here internet will trying to open through the iPhone and we need to change Wi-Fi as a first preference. To change this, click on the little arrow, then set service order and drag Wi-Fi to the top, then OK and apply. Sometimes wrong date means if your Mac showing old date, and that can also cause the problem. To change it, System Preferences, Date and Time, unlock by clicking type passcode and uncheck set and time automatically. Change date to current date, then save. Now check set date and time automatically. You may found this type of icon in Wi-Fi and you are unable to turn on Wi-Fi. To fix it, open System Preferences, Network. You may see there are no Wi-Fi device in this list. Click plus icon to add this. Then add Wi-Fi and apply. Renew DHCP. Select Wi-Fi, Advanced, TCP/IP, then renew DHCP. And use Google DNS to make your internet speed faster. DNS, click plus icon and add 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Forgot Wi-Fi and rejoin. Go to Wi-Fi Advanced, select Wi-Fi from the list and click minus icon to remove. Then OK, apply and rejoin again with password. Sometimes by deleting Wi-Fi plist file can also fix your Wi-Fi issue. In Finder menu bar, go to folder and type /library/preference/system configuration. Now locate those files. And drag them to a Wi-Fi backup folder. Then delete those. Now reboot your Mac, turn on Wi-Fi and see if it works. And also change Wi-Fi location. And bandwidth like using 2.5 to 5 GHz. Apple diagnosis for hardware checking. For Intel Mac, press power button to turn on, then immediately press and hold D key on your keyboard as Mac startup. For Silicon, turn on your Mac and continue to press and hold power button as your Mac startup. Release power button if you see this startup option. Then press and hold Command D to start diagnosis. Select language, hit return and run offline. If any problem detects, Apple Diagnosis will suggest the solution. Now reset your PRAM and SMC. For Silicon Mac, it does not require to reset PRAM or SMC. Next, cool down your Wi-Fi router for some moment by turning off. Still problem persists, then you may need to contact your ISP for the solutions. Hope those above solutions will help you to fix your Wi-Fi or internet issues. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.